Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. I have pulled out this mold set. This is the vampire teeth coaster holder base, and then it comes with the 4 coasters. I'm not the biggest fan of these coasters, I gotta say. They just don't match. They match in theme, as in they could be Halloween-like, but they just don't really go together. But I'm going to give them another shot, see how they look. So I'm going to pour this. I really, really want to use some more of my Larisi holographic glitter. That's not a sticker, by the way, on here. I just want to let you know that's the actual glitter that has stuck to the sides. It is so gorgeous. So I'm going to use that, and then let me grab this. I think this is from a company called Renfio. They don't really put anything on their bottles, but this is black, black holographic glitter. So I think I want to do that for the coasters, and then the silver holographic glitter for the holder. So super simple one, again, gearing up for Halloween day video, which is going to be epic. So yes, I'm excited to see how these turn out. Mostly these I'm not really excited for, but we'll get there when we get there. So anyway, let's get some resin warmed up, get it mixed up and poured in, and I will be back for the demolding. Hang tight. Alright friends, these are cured. Let's see. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I love this little coaster set. Well, the holder, at least. I'm not too keen on the coasters, but what can you do? Oh, yeah. Yep. This turned out great. I mean, it's resin and glitter. How bad can it be, really? Oh. That's so good. Look, let's make it not in focus. Oh, it's in focus still. Anyway, you can see the holographic glitter a lot better when it's not in focus. Okay, let's demold these. Again, these are not my favorites. Get off of there, resin. Okay. Yeah. So there's a cute little coaster set. Obviously, I wish that the fourth one wasn't just plain. I just decided not to even bother mixing up more resin for that. I was like, you know, do we really need a fourth one? Is it really that necessary? But yeah, I do like how these turned out. I think they're very cool looking. They just don't really go to, like, you've got Halloween icons and then the frickin' pirate medallion from Pirates of the Caribbean and then a sugar skull. Like, all of these things are not like the other, you know? But anyway, I am in love with this. I will always be in love with this. And here's the best part. You can make any other coasters and they will fit in there. I mean, it's a really cool holder. I just wish that the coaster molds that came with it were not so generic. But anyway, that is today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.